Hello guys, in this video I am going to show you how to search for a hotel in the Skyscanner application. But first I just want to mention, don't forget to subscribe to my channel, because at 10,000 subscribers I am going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, as well as how to make money online. Let's jump into it. First of all, open the application on your phone. And then click on the home button at the bottom of the page on the left. And then click on the hotels button. So first you have to select where you want to go. You can set that at the top of the page, as well as the dates of check-in and check-out. And then the number of guests and rooms. And as you can see, here are all the available hotels with their prices, and if you're interested in any of them, then just click on that, and then you will be able to see the details and all the most important informations that you need to know. So that's pretty much it for this video, guys. See you in the next one. Goodbye.